Welcome back, you guys. Thanks so much for joining me for today's video. If you're new here, my name is Kate. So as I'm sure you can tell from today's video title, I'm going to be sharing all of my beauty favorites from the month of April. Lots of good finds, and I will link everything that I share in today's video down in the description box in case you want to check it out or do some shopping. But stay tuned, lots of good finds, and let's go ahead and kick things off. So first thing that I want to share and talk about are these microfiber makeup removing cloths. I found these off of Amazon and they have proven to be such a good find. Very, very happy that I picked them up. They are so soft, like ridiculously soft. I've never used a washcloth or anything like this that is as soft as this is. I am truly, truly obsessed and love the fabric of these. I had been using another brand's makeup removing like washcloth, and I really loved that. I had been enjoying it for I guess like almost a year now, but now that I picked these up, I like these so much better because they are 1,000 times softer, and these work so well. They get everything off, and surprisingly so far, like I'm sure you guys know when you're washing your face, especially with eye makeup and mascara, as you're rinsing it off, you're like, this is gonna stain. But every time like I will go to wipe my eye and then put this under the faucet to rinse it, like the mascara comes right out of it. It's super weird, just because that's unusual, I feel like, unless I'm the only person in America that is like over here just staining washcloths left and right with mascara. But I was really impressed with that and liked that feature so far. I haven't ran any of them through the washing machine quite yet, just because it hasn't been time for towel laundry. So I will need to report back and let you guys know how they turn out in the wash and if it gets like every stain out of them. Regardless, these were under $10, so I really don't care if they do end up staining. They're just so soft. You can get a bunch of different colors. This came in a 4-pack, and I believe I got the 8x8, but I will obviously link the correct one down in the description with the sizing that I picked up. I believe there were 3 different sizing options, but overall, like, these are amazing. I will never be able to go back to using a washcloth. After using these, I don't even really want to use the other makeup removing cloths that I had been using now. After using these, they're just amazing. And I don't know if you can see, there's like this side, which is super ridiculously soft. And then there's this side, which is even softer. Okay, and then I did already talk about these in my Ulta haul, but I love them so much, so I had to include them in my favorites video as well. These are the Kiss Gel Fantasy Press-On Nails. I have them on now, and these have just been a lifesaver. I love the color so much. I mentioned in the Ulta haul video that these come in a long coffin shape, as I'm sure you guys can see. Not really my style. Very cute if that's what you're into, but I love an almond shape, so I have been gluing these on, and then I cut and filed them down into a slightly shorter almond shape. It's worked so well for me. I've gotten a ton of compliments on these. They just look really nice. They look professional. I've done a mix of using the glue that came in this, which worked really well actually, and then using my Static Nails glue, which I have raved about and really, really love. I've just run out of it at this point. Both work really well, so if you don't have like a nail glue that you love, this will come with one and it will work great. But these were under $10. You get a ton of nails in here, 28 to be exact, and I love the sizing of these. I had no problem finding sizes for all of my fingers, which is important to me because I'm just petite. I have smaller hands, and there's been press-on nails in the past that I've picked up and they're just way too big. I can't find anything to fit my poor little pinky over here. So I didn't run into that problem with these, and I have another pack in my cart ready to go that I'm gonna repurchase because I'm coming up to the time where I'm gonna just take all of these off and re-glue a new set on. And in terms of durability too, because I guess these are like the gel sort of brand or style, they're really hard and durable. They're not like a flimsy little press on like you typically may find or expect when, you know, you're venturing at the drugstore trying to find something. These are really sturdy. They feel like a gel nail. So I like that as well because I can just be hard on my hands. This was a random little find and I'm really glad that I snagged it. It had so many good reviews at Ulta. So it was one of those products that came up as like recommended for me as I was shopping. And then I was like, oh, it has like 4 or 5 stars. And I was like, oh my gosh, it has like hundreds of thousands. I don't remember exactly. It had a lot of reviews and they were all positive. So I love Pacifica. And I was just like, let me take a look at this. So this is their perfumed hair and body mist. It's 2 fluid ounces and I got the Island vanilla scent. And one of the things that I really liked about this and why I ended up grabbing it is because I don't really love traveling with perfumes. One of the reasons that I really like this and wanted to grab it is because I had a trip coming up and this just seemed super convenient to travel with. I have a couple of the like vials, travel size perfumes, but when it comes to like body spray and stuff, I personally am not going to travel with like a full size body spray. That makes no sense. I would have the worst anxiety about it spilling. Same with like perfume, unless you know you get a tiny little travel guy. So all of that said, this was travel size and I was like, this will be so convenient if I can use it for my hair and my body while I'm out and about and need to pack a suitcase or just keep this in my bag, because I guess this is technically TSA approved, so as long as you put it in your Ziploc, you could keep this in your carry-on. So it smells really nice. Definitely tropical, very vanilla-y, kind of sultry. I'm into it. This was like $5, so I personally love an under $10 find. It was a win. And if you're not familiar with Pacifica, they are 100% vegan, they're cruelty-free, and this is a 100% recycled bottle. So I got this lip gloss sent to me in PR last month, and it is so pretty. I love shades like this, and I was like, oh my god, I have to open this up and try it immediately. So this is the Lip Glaze and Rose Gold Accent by Laura Mercier. I don't know if they have a bigger size, but this is like a cute little mini travel size, very easy to take with you, just throw in your bag, and the color is so stunning. I really like Laura Mercier's glosses in general, but having something like this that is like a pearlescent pink and has some color but is a little on the sheer side, I personally love that. It's just very easy to layer over lipsticks and other lip colors that you do like, but maybe you want some more moisture or hydration on, but that's what it looks like. It's so pretty, trust me on this. Like, what is this shade? It's just so gorgeous, and in my opinion was just really springy and summery. So I like the formula of these. I don't feel like they're too sticky at all, and they just add a little moisture back in. They wear really nicely. So if you are looking for a fun spring or summer gloss, I could not recommend this one enough. So next, I've been loving this hydrating mist from DermaE, and I'm not biased because it says my name on it, but that is such a cute feature. I love that they did that, very personalized and precious. I got this in PR, so that's why it's on there. But this mist, you guys, is so nice, so refreshing. I didn't even know that they had this product, so this was one that kind of caught me by surprise because I just hadn't even heard of it. But it has hyaluronic acid, rose water, coconut water. It smells so good. It smells so nice. I like spraying this on, honestly, anytime, not even just the morning. I will spray it throughout the day. If I need a little pick-me-up, I will use it to set my makeup. It's just so nice and a little refresher, and my skin feels really nice after I use it. It's not too heavy or anything. I kind of want to spray it now. Oh my gosh, it smells rosy, smells coconutty. I love it. And I really like the nozzle on this. It sprays out very fine. So I love that. You don't have to worry about your makeup getting ruined if you do want to use it over top of makeup. I haven't tried doing this yet, but I do also think that if you were to put this in the fridge for a little bit and then mist it, it would feel so good, especially during summer if it's just like a hot day, you're at the beach, anything like that. I cannot remember if I've talked about these before. I feel like I have at some point, and I honestly may have included these already in a previous favorites video, but I had to talk about them again because I finished the whole pack and I'm like, I just love these so much. They're one of my favorite under eye masks. So these are from Skin Iceland. These are the Hydro Cool Firming Eye Gels, and I love the way they feel. Again, this product isn't empty, so I don't even have any to show you guys because I used them all, but you can get these at Ulta. I will link them down below. This is a product I definitely would repurchase. They are like a cushiony iPad with no like product. You don't open them up and have like goop or a serum on them. It is just like this squishy little gel pad that you put on your under eye and let it sit there. It is cooling. It feels so good. And I really like the no mess aspect of it. I think that's super convenient, and I'm sure a lot of you would probably appreciate that as well. I love a good under eye mask, but sometimes like I just don't have the patience for the cleanup and worrying about like getting it out and like the serum dripping and all of that. Sometimes that's nice and what I want, and sometimes it isn't. And when it isn't, I love using these. So you get 8 in this pack. So I've gone through all 8 of them, and they're formulated with a hexapeptide technology, which I'm not gonna lie, I don't even know what that is, but I can tell you in one moment. Basically, it helps to reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, which yes, I don't want my under eyes aging. And if you're not familiar with Skin Iceland, a couple details about the brand in general that I will point out, because I know this is important to a lot of you. They are clean skincare. They're 100% vegan. They're cruelty-free, paraben-free, phthalate-free, SLS, SLES-free, mineral oil-free, and they are dermatologist tested. So if you need some under eye masks and a little reviving, go check these out. Again, I'll link them down below, and I will be repurchasing these because I love them. Next, I want to share a hair care find that I love. I frequently get asked about any purple shampoos or conditioners that I'm using, or what I use to keep my hair toned in between appointments, make sure it's not brassy, all of that stuff. So I've been using the Bondi Boost Blonde Baby collection for like 2 months now, but I felt like it was the right time to introduce these guys to you in one of my favorites videos. I'm a Bondi Boost fan as it is, which you guys probably know if you've seen my other videos. I've talked about their HG shampoo and conditioner that I've really enjoyed, and probably some of their other products like their intensive spray and their heat protector as well. So they had reached out and sent these over for me to try. It's a 3-part like system, and I'll share the other 2 products with you as well. But this is the toning shampoo that I've been using. Then there is the toning conditioner that I've been using, and then there is a mask. I'm obsessed with all 3. I love these products so much. I truly do feel like they tone and they brighten, but this is one product that I feel like the color and the tone just comes out so perfect. It comes out so true to what my hair was colored, if that makes sense. Like, I don't apply any of these products, leave them in, rinse them, style my hair afterwards, and have to worry for a second that it's going to be too purple or too blue or like silver even. Not at all. It just like truly brightens and tones it to what I feel is like the shade that my hair was colored at and what I looked like when I left the salon. I hope that makes sense. But aside from just the tone coming out so nicely, these products smell so good. I don't know what magic potion they have in here, but they smell really nice. I personally feel like that's not always the case with purple shampoos and conditioners. And not only that, they are so hydrating and make my hair feel so soft, and that is a rarity with blonde shampoos and conditioners. I don't feel like the norm for using toning products is that they're hydrating. I feel like usually it's quite the opposite. They're pretty drying, and I usually have to use like a mask or a really intensive hydrating conditioner because my hair is just dry as it is. But with these, I've been really happy with the formula and the consistency and how it leaves my hair feeling. So on occasion, I still will go back through with my Davines conditioner right on the ends, but I don't even feel like I have to use that every time that I am toning my hair using these products. So that's a huge win for me, and something that's a really important feature, just because again, my hair is so dry as it is. She really can't withstand any additional products that are going to dry it out. I wanted to include and share with you guys this lip mask from Grande Cosmetics that I think is amazing and I love. So I've actually had this for quite a bit, and I had to keep it on the hush because I got it before it launched. I sound so snobby saying that. Ew. But I was working with them to create some content for the launch of this, so I did get it early, but I couldn't share it until it actually launched. It's finally launched. It's in Sephora, and I just love their products. I love their brand too. I love working with them. But this little mask, first of all, I think like the packaging is so cute. It's called Grande Pout. if I didn't already say that. Plumping lip mask. Here is what it looks like. I love the like peachy pink color of it, and I usually just get it out on the back of my nail and apply it. I'll just show you, see if I can show you guys the consistency. It has like a nice scent to it. I don't know how to explain it. It's like kind of fruity, kind of minty, but this is what it looks like as is when you take it out of the container, and then as you rub it in, it has this really nice like texture to it. It's not sticky at all, and it doesn't have like a Vaseline feeling to it. It's just lighter in my opinion. I don't know, it's really soft and smooth, so I like that. I think like this is one where I will use it in the morning, I'll use it before I'm putting on a lip product, or I'll use it at night too, just because I think it feels really good. Because it is plumping, it has that nice little grande like cooling to it. It's not tingling, it does not hurt at all, just feels nice on the lip. Okay, they describe it as a satin finish, and I guess that is what I was looking for. It is satiny, so it's not super heavy, it's not sticky, it's very lightweight, very soft on the lips, and I love that. It's cruelty-free, has hyaluronic acid in it, it's formulated without parabens, it's hydrating. So it's $24, and you get a lot of product in here. A little goes a long way, so I think the $24 is kind of on par for everything that you get with this and the benefits of it. And I have so many lip masks, but I don't have any that are plumping, so this is kind of like in a league of its own in my opinion. So if you really like that feature, definitely check this out. I have really been enjoying this and love it. So this next one is from Girlactik. This is their Creme de la Glow Skin Body Shimmer, but this actually has like a lot of versatility to it and multiple uses. So I think this is so pretty for mixing in with foundation, and that's how I've been using it. I'm sure it's beautiful on the body as well, but if you want like that pretty summer glow sort of look, like this is stunning. I have been putting it on the back of my hand just like this, and then applying whatever foundation I want to use on the back of my hand as well, and then just mixing the two together with a beauty blender and applying that way. It just gives like this gorgeous illumination to your skin, glow from within type of look. It's really light. I don't feel like it's too heavy at all. And it just looks beautiful. You don't have to use a lot of this to mix it in to get that like pretty glow look. So I actually was wearing this in my Ulta haul video. I had it mixed in with the Armani Luminous Silk Foundation. It was gorgeous. I love the finish of it. I love the way it just made my skin so glowy and pretty. So yeah, I'm obsessed with this. I love little finds like this. I also feel like if you're somebody who likes a lighter, no makeup sort of look, if you had like a tinted moisturizer or something, any sort of like, or really any foundation that you wanted to, and just mix the two together, you could kind of, you know, create your own little concoction to apply to the face that gives you some color but also gives you this beautiful glow and isn't like a heavy makeup or foundation sort of product, which I hope you guys are following along with what I'm trying to explain. The vision is there, I promise. But I love the packaging on this. I think the shade and everything is so pretty. I like the versatility of it all, and I need to obviously try it out on the skin and let you guys know how it looks there as well. All right, you guys, so that is going to conclude and wrap up this round of monthly beauty favorites. I hope you guys enjoyed. Definitely leave me a comment below. Let me know if you've tried any of these products or if you have any recommendations of what I should try out for May. But as always, love you guys so much. Thanks for tuning back in, and until next time.
I know we're acting stupid.